Alright guys, this place is full of tourists. It's absolutely packed. On the beautiful square over here, church. Alright, so here we have this is Mantaka. I think it's a local hero. I've seen the name before. I've seen the name before on the streets of Crete, different places. I think some streets were made named in the honor of him. Let's go check out of course the iconic place, the most visited place in Chania, which is oh guys, let's go in first over here. This was a place where I visited a year ago. So here's a Catholic church inside over here. You're gonna love this before we go in. And it's beautiful, guys, beautiful. And also a folklore museum of Cretan house. Just look at this amazing courtyard over here. There's some cactuses, beautiful cactuses. So, I don't know. There's a certain special feeling being inside here. But this is Catholic Church, not Orthodox, which is the main church. Made religion of Greece, same as in Russia. Let's take our hats off and let's see inside. Amazing atmosphere. Amazing. Having all this place to yourself feels amazing. Temple Rock and the Immaculate Virgin in the honor of Virgin Mary. A statue of some kind of a monk, I think, having a bird on his hand, which probably represents the Holy Spirit, probably. Alright guys, this place is full of tourists, absolutely full. And anything you want, guys, is being sold here. Some ice creams and same things that we saw earlier, but maybe more pricey, etc. You know, textiles, souvenirs, leathers, a lot of Greek. You can have a lot of awesome dresses. This is for the ladies in this. In Chania and everywhere in Crete, everywhere. Greek sarongs. And by the way, which is great in Greece is that despite this is like the epicenter of tourism in Chania, over here, The prices are quite good. You know, silver is okay priced. Oh wow. Silver is good priced. Food is okay priced. Even the most expensive one. Basically the most expensive basic meal. If you find the most expensive one, that would be like around 20 euros, 20 bucks, something like that. And 20 bucks, yeah. But normally that would be like around like 10, a little bit over 10 in the touristy places. As you can see, the streets continues everywhere. We're gonna go now to the iconic place. This is like the old town, that part over there. But we're gonna go there on the way back. We're gonna go around. We're gonna go around the embankment, which is the main walking part in Chania. And the streets are absolutely packed here on the evenings. I would love to go to the embankments a little bit further away from the city center, but this is a must-see location over here. Alright, if you go to the forwards, you would see really beautiful embankments, but this is like on the left of us, this is like the place of different boat cruises. Let's go watch the match. Boat cruises, guys, restaurants. This is like the restaurant embankment over here. Some shops around the way. In the middle of shops as well. In the middle of restaurants. Oh, somebody's filming a drone over the Gulf over here, over the bay. Yes, you can have some private boat cruises over there, and you can also go to this what you call it, lighthouse over there. Somebody's filming with a proper camera over here. This is what you call when you cannot find any bigger camera. All right. Some scuba diving equipment. One of the best things to do, of course, is to nice swim. As you go along, you can watch beautiful sunsets. This is iconic place, guys, I'm telling you. Well, I guess you figured that out already. And the side of this beautiful embankment has some awesome, beautiful buildings, the beautiful facades of the old town. So this city is, of course, Venetian. It used to be in the hands of Ottomans, I believe. So it changed hands, so it has different styles of architecture here and there. And these are all hotels, guys. The city is basically, you cannot get any more touristy than this. And the food is really good in in Greece, guys, in Crete, let's say. Food are great. Food is great. Of course, the Greek salad is my favorite. The feta cheese is absolutely amazing in Greece. And the other thing that I love is actually the amazing mountain skyline all around wherever you look. Hold up, let's take this off. No matter where you look, you see absolutely beautiful mountains. So we have different kind of restaurants here. We have international cuisine, Mediterranean cuisine, a lot of fast food, I would say, also available. Not fast food, I mean like pizza, burgers, that type of stuff. Maybe even too much represented. And you can see through the water. The water is crystal clear, guys. But no, you cannot swim in here. Whoa, the drone is flying, the birds are trying to break it, catch it. And that is actually has happened to me many times when I'm flying drones. You can also, by the way, just sit on these chairs over here and have some drink, or the few benches that they have here. Oh, some traditional clothing, some traditional Greek stuff. So guys, we're gonna go to the corner of this beautiful bay. And here's actually, by the way, I think it's a maritime museum of Crete over here. Just look at these beautiful, beautiful places, guys. Some wedding pictures over here, guys. You cannot get any crowd. It's absolutely packed.